SEC-8700 component automatic glue filling machine through PLC precise control of the metering motor. To achieve the precise proportion of two-component glue, automatic mixing, automatic quantitative glue, with vacuum loading, vacuum defoaming, heating, stirring, automatic cleaning, and other functions, can cope with a variety of complex glue environment. Unique industrial design, generous appearance, compact structure, stable operating system, user-friendly interface, cost-effective, simple operation, greatly saving the manual proportioning and mixing time, improving efficiency, cost savings, cost-effective, optional 1.2 meters double-jointed cantilever handheld glue filling, flexible and simple operation.